Welcome back to my new video. It will come as no surprise that employers want applicants who can create, collaborate, and communicate effectively. Therefore, a minimum understanding of Microsoft Office is essential for people searching for a new job. In fact, if you open a job posting from any industry, you will notice that Microsoft Office efficiency is listed under required skills and qualifications for almost every position. Microsoft Office apps are some of the most popular tools on the market, but you've probably been hesitant to grab them because they usually demand a recurring fee or simply just cost too much. This tool is very widely used in the world, so you must have it to work more effectively wherever and whenever. For this reason, I recommend that you use Microsoft Office, which is a one-time purchase, because you are no longer burdened with paying annual fees like Microsoft 365. Just pay once. You can use Microsoft Office unlimitedly forever. If you want to buy Microsoft Office at a cheap price, you can buy it on the KeySfan website. This is legal and guaranteed. Luckily, KeySfan offers a special Black Friday sale in November where you can get Microsoft Office and at a discounted price. Mac users can grab lifetime access to Microsoft Office, Home, and Business 2019 for Mac from today. Just apply the special 62% off coupon code ISO62 before you make the payment. You can get Microsoft Office Home and Business 2019 for Mac with low price and legal. For Windows users, Microsoft Office Professional 2021 for Windows is available for the low one-time purchase price as well. With the same coupon code, you can get very, very low price on keysfan.com right now. And support with multiple payment method on keysfan.com. Don't forget to use 62% off coupon code ISO62 before you make the payment. Upon purchase, you will receive license keys and download links to install and use your new apps right away. KeySfan is an online store that allows you to buy software licenses at cheaper prices legally. This avoids having to resort to any type of activator and prevents malware. Refunds and online customer service are supported at KeySfan. If the key is invalid, the money can be returned. You can see the KeySfan review on the Trustpilot website and get a very good and trustworthy rating. Not only that, KeySfan offers PC and video game codes, credit and subscription codes for Xbox Live and PSN, as well as game time card codes for online games and software license codes, and all at top prices. And this KeySfan can meet your online needs at a low price. I highly recommend this website because I really know the legality of this website. And you can get a 100% product guarantee and originality of the product. You can check the link KeySfan Black Friday special sales on description. Enjoy your productivity with keysfan.com. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.